Essay, I'll try to tell you, not taking much of a time, no? Essay, you guys wanted to know the whole concept, or should I give a broad overview? Whole concept, okay. Essay, it will be better if you write down. There are multiple parts in an essay. Totally, you have to write 12 pages. You have to write 12 pages, 1000 to 1200 words. So, I'll take an example. Anybody have an idea about this year's essay? No. Previous year. 2020 essay. Pen is mightier than sword. Yeah. And you can also take that simplicity is ultimate sophistication. मतलब best example. Simplicity, उस पे कर लेंगे एक basic essay. Simplicity is utmost sophistication. Now इसमें क्या करना है? And who all are from political science, sociology, and public administration? These people have a great advantage in essay. People are from mathematics optional, they face a lot of difficulty, they have to put extra efforts. And anthro also, you cannot much use it directly in essay. So don't hesitate to use your optional subject. People will say ki optional subject రాయకండి, వాళ్ళకి తెలిసిపోతుంది మీ ఆప్షనల్ సబ్జెక్ట్. తెలిసిపోతే ఏమవుతుంది, నీకు ఉంది నాలెడ్జ్ చెప్తావు. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకంటే దిస్ టైమ్ వాట్ ఎస్ఏస్ ఐ రోట్ both are related to political science. The first one was related to patriarchy. Second one, patriarchy, feminism ఉంటుంది పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్లో. సో ఫెమినిజం రిలేటెడ్ ఒకటి రాసినాను, ఇంకోటి సొసైటీ రిలేటెడ్ ఏదో ఉండే అది రాసినాను. సో యూజ్ యువర్ ఫుల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఆప్షనల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ జిఎస్. And you cannot write a proper essay now. So hold your nerves. You cannot write a proper essay now, but I'll give you an framework. First, you will have a introduction. In intro, write context or definition. Bas context or definition, and explain context or definition and explain the essay. मतलब simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Tell him ki this essay talks about simplicity being the ultimate sophistication. That means simplicity is more important in life, whatever. Explain it in your own words. Don't use fancy words in essay. Because the guy who is reading is 70-year-old or 60-year-old guy who is sitting in DU or JNU. So the more personal it will be, the more it will appeal. Keep it personal, keep it simple. Do not use fancy words. That is not required. And once you write the intro, the very important part is thesis. This more people will not tell you about. Thesis will decide your essay. If you're writing the thesis right, then the examiner will not even check your full paper. In thesis, I'll explain my thesis. This year essay was patriarchy is the biggest problem in the society. ये essay था second part में. So in this thesis, what I told is, in this essay, thesis is nothing but what you are going to write the whole for 12 pages. This is thesis. ఇప్పుడు మీరు పిహెచ్డి పీజీ థీసిస్ చూస్తుంటారు కదా, ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ హీల్ టెల్ దట్ మేము దీని గురించి మాట్లాడినాం, విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ దీస్ థింగ్స్, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ ద ప్రోస్, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ ద కాన్స్, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ ఎ కన్క్లూజన్. And in thesis what you'll do is, if patriarchy is the biggest problem in the society, what my thesis was in this essay, I will discuss what is patriarchy, then, and I will discuss how patriarchy is a problem in the society. I'm just telling, I'm not explaining anything. In thesis, I'm just telling what I will do later. Then I will discuss the historical evolution of patriarchy. And what are the pros of patriarchy? What are the cons of patriarchy? And what is the antithesis? I'm also going to say patriarchy may not be the biggest problem in the society. I'll also talk about it. Antithesis is very important. And then I will conclude by showing patriarchy is the biggest problem. End of the day, you don't reject it. बोल दो कि हाँ patriarchy is the biggest problem, because patriarchy is the biggest problem. वो तो basic structure है society में. तो I will conclude by showing how patriarchy is the biggest problem. So did you guys understand how am I writing thesis? I'm telling the examiner what I'm going to do the next 1.5 hours. I'm telling him, first I'll talk about what is patriarchy. Then I'll talk about what is the historical evolution of patriarchy. Then I'll talk about how patriarchy is the problem in the society in different spheres. Then I'll talk about what are the pros and cons of patriarchy. Then I'll talk about antithesis. Now, how patriarchy is not a bigger problem. There are other bigger problems also, like caste system. Caste system is also a problem. Communalism is also a problem. I'll talk about other problems also. But I will conclude, I will conclude this essay that patriarchy is the biggest problem in the society. And we need to address it through so and so things. This will be my thesis. इतने में 2 pages will complete. 2 pages or 1.75 page. Intro plus thesis. Intro plus thesis. Now, this thesis will decide your score, because nobody will have the patience to read your whole essay. You're writing 12 papers. God knows what handwriting you're writing, what you're writing. People write minute stuff also, which they're not interested in seeing, because they're matured people who are having their PhDs. They don't want to see all this random social media bullshit. So this is there. Then after this intro plus thesis, I will directly go to historical time scale. Historical time scale. So look, I'm still following my thesis. I'm telling what is patriarchy. Then I'll tell about historical time scale, now how patriarchy has evolved. I'll talk about in ancient India, there was Vedic period. There was equality, all those things. Later how in medieval India what happened, in modern India what happened, and how caste system has affected it. I'll talk about the evolution. So this will be the historical time scale. This will go on for 2 pages. So now we have completed 4 pages of our essay. This must not be much. Remember, historical time scale is only 2 pages, because this is not what is required in the essay. We are just filling stuff. And next, like we have discussed, how now we have seen historical time scale, no? Now we will see section wise. Section wise, for example, section wise lendante Magapir syllabus. In the syllabus, what all subjects are you having? In paper 1, you are having history, geography, art and culture. In paper 2, you are having governance, polity, IR. Paper 3, environment, economy, all those things. Disaster management. So section wise means touching all those aspects. For example, geography. Geography aspect, how will I touch? I'll say, not everywhere there is patriarchy, there is also matriarchy in few areas. So geography wise there is a difference bolke, I'll touch it. Next, for example, economy. Economy, I'll first touch employment. Employment, I will say female labor force participation rate is only 24%, whereas the male female labor force participation rate is high. So here there is patriarchy. Then I'll go to promotions. Promotions, I'll say there is a glass ceiling for women. Women are growing their positions only to a limited extent. After that, they are not growing. Then I'll also talk about occupational division. Most of the women become doctors, nurses. Feminine, so-called feminine occupations. So I'll talk about there is segregation here. Occupational segregation is happening here. And then I'll go to environment. I'll say that I'll talk about how uh, patriarchy is affecting environmental growth or environmental damage, global warming per se. Because Sweden has the feminist foreign policy. It has all women cabinet. There they have decided that we'll become carbon neutral by so and so year. So that means women are more sensitive towards nature. Because political science has these topics. So I'm using them here. So in this sectional wise you have to go. Geography, history, art and culture, economy, political. In political, I'll talk about in Lok Sabha, there are only 15% women. So I'll say यहाँ पे तो patriarchy है बहुत. Then I'll go to governance. Governance, I'll say in bureaucracy also there is patriarchy. Bureaucracy also there are not much joint secretaries, not much female secretaries. Ministers कोई देख लो. ये सब I'll talk about it. Then I'll go to IR. IR, I'll talk about feminist foreign policy. What is feminist foreign policy and how masculinist foreign policy has led to wars, alliances, and all those things. So why we need feminine foreign policy? So I'm erasing this. Yeah. So sectional wise, this will be our main content, and this will go at least to 4 pages. 4 pages we have to use all the sections like political, individual you have pastime, religion, then caste, then family. How was the family? In family, what is the role of woman? Because you have seen ads, fan ka ad aa gaya, you'll see that the lady in the home is cooking something. The guy is sitting and reading the newspaper. There is feminism there. There is patriarchy there. So I'll give one example. I'll give here one example. I'll give here one example. I'll give here one example. Political, like I have discussed, I'll give examples here also. Economy, I will give examples. Environment, I will give examples. It must be, there is a paragraph rule which I follow. In every paragraph, first line must be what you want to say. Second, what you want to say. This is same for all the paragraphs in essay. If you are following this, I think there will be no problem in articulation of an essay. In the first line, talk about what you want to say. Second line, explain what you are saying. Third line, give an example. Fourth line must be transition to the next paragraph. I'll give an example here. Like we have talked about economy, I'll tell about in the economic sphere there is patriarchy with regard to the labor force participation. I said what I said. I'll explain it. Like women are lesser in labor force, employment is not much, occupation segregation is happening in a single line again. And here I'll give an example, like I've given a fact, female labor force participation rate, FLFPR, 24%. Next must be, we are also going to see about other spheres, like employment ho gaya, fir economy, environment, other spheres. So this is the paragraph rule you must follow, and all these aspects. I'll also suggest you to have subtopics. For example, there is education. In education, अगर education पे question आएगा, maximum what extent will you go? Primary, secondary, tertiary, खत्म, higher education जो भी है, higher education. लेकिन there are other aspects also. There is civic education, there is medical education, there is sex education, there is sports education. If you are writing these things, you cannot think all these things in the exam. Don't think लिख लेंगे हम exam में. Don't think that. Have these subtopics divided before. If you are writing these points, no, your essay will stand out from other people. So health also form this. Health also have different subtopics. This will happen only through brainstorming. So with regard to the essay structure, this will be for 4 pages sectional. So you have completed your 8 pages now. Now, as you said what is patriarchy. You talked about the historical time scale. You told about sectional in various sections how patriarchy is there. Now let us go into solutions. 4 पेज है हमारे पास. In 4 page, now 1 page will go to antithesis. However, so give the antithesis. Say that patriarchy is an antithesis. Remember, don't negate the concept itself. Here, what he said, patriarchy is the biggest problem in the society. I will say patriarchy is not the biggest problem in the society. I will not say patriarchy is not a problem. There is a difference in what I'm saying. So I'll say patriarchy is not the biggest problem in the society. Then what problems others I will talk? I'll talk about communalism. I'll talk about caste system. I'll just mention them and leave. Just mention them and leave. There are a few perceptions about there are other problems in the society also, and those will need to be addressed also. खत्म. Antithesis खत्म हो जाएगा. अब तेरे पास 3 पेज है. 3 पेज में just given practical solution. Same again section wise. Political. क्या होगा पॉलिटिकल में? 108 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट बिल. 1080 है ना, 33% रिजर्वेशन लोकसभा. देयर इज अ बिल, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट बिल विच हैज बीन पास इन राज्यसभा 2010 में शायद, which had a provision that 33% of the seats in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha will be reserved for women, but that did not pass in Lok Sabha. So tell them that हाँ हमको ये पास करना चाहिए 108. And then cultural. Tell them घर पे हमारा थिंकिंग बदलनी चाहिए, और जेंडर सेंसिटिव एजुकेशन और पेट्रियार्कल नॉर्म्स को क्वेश्चन करने चाहिए रेगुलरली, ऑल दोस थिंग्स. देन in all other aspects, in foreign policy we'll say Sweden example, like just have told, Swedish foreign policy. In economy I will talk about how we can improve women entrepreneurship and women employment. So these solutions will be for 2 pages. Give practical solutions only. Don't give मतलब fancy मतलब हम ये कर लेंगे वो कर लेंगे. No. Give practical solutions. Then in the last page, do something fancy here. But be careful. In the urge of doing fancy, people write poems which are unrelated. People write stories which are unrelated. So there is a caveat here कि you have to be careful. But what I do is I follow the safest route. I'll just reconfirm my thesis. I'll just say, like we have discussed, ये problem है. This is the biggest problem in the society. We need to address it. So hereby I conclude my essay. I'll just keep it simple. So this is the essay pattern. Any essay, whatever essay you give me now also, any topic, I can break them into these things. No essay is difficult. Because I've seen people writing about philosophy also. Philosophy essays आजकल ज़्यादा हो गए. तो philosophy also same pattern. Section wise divide करो, historical time scale लिखो, intro, thesis, historical time scale, section wise, antithesis, conclusion. Essay is very easy. And don't stress much on things which are very far. मतलब मैं तो बोलूँगा be careful about pre. Pre is different ballgame. Pre is very unpredictable. Focus on pre. You are in the right place, so do work properly. Be regular to the classes. If you are coming to the classes, no, you will stay connected to the preparation. Don't miss out on classes, because I generally see, even I've been to institutes, no, मतलब गाइडेंस के लिए गया था, तो आई सी पीपल 1 मंथ के लिए जाते हैं, फिर बाद में 2-3 महीने का मजा बस. डोंट डू दैट. बी कंसिस्टेंट. डोंट हैव डाउट्स ऑन एनीवन. कीप हैव डाउट ऑन योर ओन effort, not a strategy. Always try to work more hard. That is it. Any other doubts? Nothing? Yeah, I think that's it, yeah. Thank you guys. I think I have waited a lot of time. Sorry, but take it seriously. Finish. Enjoy the process. That is